When living and working in China, one very important factor to think of is your medical cover. When we think of medical cover in China, there's a few things that really pop to mind that make China stand out from other countries. Probably the most obvious thing is the discrepancy or the difference in the level of care at different hospitals. Hospitals in China are actually divided up into different tiers, but to simplify the matter a bit, there's two main groups of hospitals. On one hand, you've got your government-run or state-owned or basic private facilities, and on the other hand, you've got your groups of international medical facilities that are often staffed by foreign doctors and Western staff. The big difference between these two groups of hospitals is in the level of care. At a state or government-run hospital, you really wouldn't be receiving the level of care that you might be used to back in your own country. Obviously, these hospitals are very, very inexpensive, and it may only cost you maybe $1 to go see a doctor. However, at an international medical facility, which are of an international standard, unfortunately, these facilities, these hospitals, are the most expensive in the world outside of the US, and even just a few minute consultation with your doctor can cost upward of $200 or $300. This is really the main reason why we would recommend a very comprehensive medical insurance cover for your stay in China. It's very important to protect yourself financially, particularly if you do come down with a serious illness or have a serious accident that may even involve being evacuated to Singapore or Hong Kong, where you can receive a higher level of treatment. So if you're in China or you're planning to work in China and you're concerned about your medical coverage, please come and speak to us and we'd be happy to help.